Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to view and share your connected Wi-Fi password on your Android device via QR code guys. So for this guys, first you need to open your Wi-Fi settings on your device like this. After this guys, first you can get your connected Wi-Fi network. As you can see, if you want to share this, just tap on the settings gear icon like this, and here you can get the option share. Just tap on it. Now you need to verify yourself by entering your pin or by adding your fingerprint to your device like this. After this guys, first you can see your connected Wi-Fi password on your phone. As you can see, Wi-Fi password. So if you want to share this just on your another device, just you need to open your Wi-Fi settings like this, and here you can get the option add in network. Just you need to tap on it, and here after this guys, just you need to scan that QR code from your another device. So you can also share your Wi-Fi password with your QR code, and also you can view your Wi-Fi password on the QR code, as you can see. So this is the very easy and very simple method to do this guys. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.